Did you know that for B2B software as a service businesses, the free trial to paid conversion rates plummets after 7 days? That is the golden window for sales is week one. 1/3 of software subscribers who churn, that is leave in year one, are going to cancel in the first month, and 2/3 of them will be gone after 3 months. There's good news though. Personalizing onboarding cuts customer churn by up to 25%. And by personalizing, I mean providing a customer journey that is relevant to solving the problem that they have. But here's the elephant in the room. Free trials of your software mean that customers have no skin in the game. What if you could motivate them to pay you by understanding the problem that they have today, the outcome that they want, and what gets in their way, their fear, their excuses? The key, as you saw, is help them to succeed quickly within that first 7 days. Introducing Insignia.ai for B2B SaaS companies that are earning over $1 million in ARR that want to solve customer churn. How much is churn costing your B2B SaaS? I've provided a calculator on Insignia.ai. Here is a snapshot of an example where we're looking at one cohort of 1 month's customer signups. Even for a small subscription rate, such as $27, the loss is in the tens of thousands from single month of signups. How can we save those customers? We do that by solving churn in Insignia.ai. I'm putting to work in this software the methods in my churn proof book. First of all, you need to understand who that customer is, your ideal customer profile, ICP. Then, once you understand that, you get them a quick win in 10 minutes or less. And after you've done that, you keep giving them wins. You keep getting them to come back. I'm going to show you today the first agent that creates that ICP by researching it. I'm also going to show you the ability, once you've created it, to role play with it. So let's take a look at how this works. When you log into Insignia.ai, you'll see an ICP studio. Hop on inside and you'll see ICPs that have been researched in the past and the ability to go out and research new ones for your specific product, for your specific set of problems that you can solve for those customers. So let's go ahead and do that. You can either enter information by hand for each ICP, or you can research one using AI by going out on the internet. So say I am researching a startup CEO, revenue has plateaued and is worried about losing customers. We are now going to go out and have N8N run AI for us in the back end here. So off we go. N8N is running. Inside this agent is a massive prompt that's describing exactly what we want to be researched. And we're actually going out and researching through Google search. And there you go. So here is our new ICP that it just researched for us. And we can go ahead and click on inside there. What we're concerned with today is information about how we can generate an onboarding flow. So we are looking at what problem they have, their pain points, what's causing it. In this case, this founder has early churn that's killing growth. The root cause is generic onboarding, which is not aligned with the ICP. The excuse that they have in their own mind is that they don't have time to personalize onboarding. Unfortunately, the consequence of it is wasted development time, and missed retention targets. The result that they want is onboarding powered by AI and psychographics. This is critical foundational work that we need to do in order to create a successful, quick win for these customers to make them convert to paying customers. We saw the portal for Insignia.ai, which has been implemented in Lovable. When we researched this ICP, when I pressed this button here, it called N8N, ran this agent using an OpenAI model, running search on Google using SERP AI, and then returning an ICP. We can role play, have a conversation with the ICP to better understand them. Here is the interface. Maybe we're talking about productivity tools with our SaaS founder. A desired outcome in this case is that we want to get them to watch a demo. We expect them to say that they don't have any time. And then perhaps we'll have sales objection conversation with them because of that. Okay, so now we're going to run N8 in the back end and start that conversation. Hi, it's great to meet you. I would love to understand your greatest challenges. And then you see it's calling N8N. It's going to come back with a response. There we go. Came back with a response. And again, this is what the SaaS founder says back. But here is what's very cool. When I started this conversation, what I said here is now going to get critiqued on the side here. And this is so that I can do a better job of interviewing my SaaS founder. It tells me what was great, what I could improve, and then very specifically what I need to do to revise how I chat to this founder. So what are the next steps? Work more on this ICP to tune it. That is, make these trade-offs between speed, cost, quality, consistency of results. Then to move on to create these agents. So to take the ICP information and use it to drive definition of quick wins that those ICPs care about, keep them coming back by giving them more wins. I welcome your feedback. Please do go to Insignia.ai. You can join the waitlist there, or you are very welcome to reach out to me at Angela@marketfastforward.com. Thank you.